That oven, that water machine, this phone, 100 other things we use every day. They all use semiconductors. Computer chips are everywhere, and we've never relied on them more. The chips are critical, but here's the problem. The US is making fewer and fewer of them. 37% of all semiconductors were made here in 1990, but just 12% are today. It's a challenge for the economy, but also for national security. We're relying more and more on other countries for an essential resource, and as the last few years have shown, global supply chains aren't always reliable. So last year, Congress passed the CHIPS Act, which set aside $52.7 billion for semiconductor research development and manufacturing. That paves the way for new facilities, but we'll also need people to run them. It's a great opportunity for workers, but it's not as if we've got hundreds of thousands of people with the right skills just waiting around for one of these jobs. The labor market has been historically tight, and every industry is dealing with a shortage of workers. Lightcast analysis shows that doubling semiconductor production would create just over 200,000 new jobs. These are well-paying, future-ready, good jobs, and they'll be a huge asset for every community where they're created. So what will supply and demand look like in those markets? Our data show that computer hardware engineers will see some of the greatest need, along with software quality assurance testers, electrical technicians, and industrial mechanics. On the other hand, demand is less intense for computer programmers and electrical engineers because there are more of them around. Around where? We can see that too. By combining the occupations with the most new demand, the training opportunities for those occupations, and comparing that to the overall supply of workers, we can tell which parts of the country are best placed to train workers and attract semiconductor plants and give them a corresponding score. At the top of the list, San Jose, California, followed by the Portland, Oregon area. Underneath them, there are little pockets spread throughout the Mountain West, Southwest, and Midwest. So when you're ready to develop industry and train workers to bring a semiconductor factory to your region, the score can help you make your case. The CHIPS Act is a huge investment in development and manufacturing in the US, and to make the most out of that investment, you'll need the best data possible. Lightcast can unlock those possibilities, and our new research on semiconductors is available for download now.